Hello, today I did a scavenger hunt around my house for the different types of fonts. We have old style here. This is my daughter's formula that she's using, and in the word Similac, it shows old style font. This is a little poster, art that is hanging in the bedroom. Basically, it's modern type text where it says the love more. That would be the modern part about it. The U is in a different slide, but you can tell by the way the letters are that it's modern. Next, we have Transitional, and this is just a box of vanilla wafers. And as you can tell with the different types of letters and how they are, it shows Transitional. Next, we have Slab Serif. And with Slab Serif, I didn't understand it. Well, it was hard to find something with Slab Serif on the house, so I got two examples, sort of. On the left is rancheritos, which is like a type of chips. And it was kind of hard to depict it. I was able to do it with the S and the I. And then on the right, we have A1 sauce, but the word sauce could be the type of font for Slab Serif, maybe the A1. And then last, we have script, which I know is the same example as modern, but this art has two types of fonts, and the script is for the word U. And that is all. Thank you.